In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a design system to another file without breaking everything in Figma. This can be a daunting task, but don't worry, together we'll go through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that can take your design projects to the next level. Open up your browser and navigate to Figma's website. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Log In. Use your credentials to access your account. If you're new to Figma, you might need to set up an account, but if you're already a user, this part should be quick and easy. Now that you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Figma home screen. This is the central hub of all your design work. From here, you can access your recent files, explore shared designs, or what we're focusing on today, navigate to your design projects. So let's proceed by clicking on the home, which serves as your starting point for all design adventures. The next step is to click on design, where your design systems are housed. This section is where all the hard work comes together. Here you can manage, edit and view your current projects. But today our purpose is to seamlessly transition a design system to another file, so we need to find the specific design system you're looking to move. Once you have your design system in sight, we're going to switch on over to the libraries feature. Clicking on libraries is crucial, as this is where Figma manages shared resources and elements across various projects. This feature is particularly useful in ensuring consistency and efficiency in your design work. Now, with the libraries section open, you'll see an option to publish this file. Go ahead and click on this option. Publishing your file is a pivotal step, as it allows the assets and styles from your current design system to be available for use in a new file. This ensures that once you move your design system, all the elements stay intact and nothing gets broken or lost in the transition. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to move a design system to another file in Figma, keeping everything intact. It's a simple process, but paying attention to detail in each step ensures nothing gets overlooked. By understanding where and how to utilize Figma's tools, you're ensuring your design work remains seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching and happy designing.